Welcome back to our series of Minecraft things in Maine and popular character names pronunciation videos. Let's take a look at how to pronounce this word. Glass Pane is a block from the game Minecraft. It is a thin, transparent block crafted from glass and used mainly for windows or decorative structures. Glass panes are thinner than full glass blocks and connect smoothly to surrounding blocks. Pronunciation: French. In France, the term Glass Pane is pronounced Glaas Payn, with a clear glass and a soft pan, Glaas Payn, giving it a smooth and clean sound. American. In America, people say Glass Pane, with emphasis on the second word, Glass Pane, making it sound firm and direct. British. In the UK, it's pronounced Glass Payn, similar to the American version but slightly softer. Glass Payn, giving it a smooth and natural tone. Summary: French, Glass Pan. American, Glaas Payn. British, Glass Payn. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more pronunciation videos.